Hi guys, welcome to Empire Academy. Today we are going to see about how to buy stocks. Before we move further into the video, I must say this video is for educational purpose only. There are two things we need to clarify before we buy stocks. One will be investing, the other will be trading. Investing is nothing but buying stocks over a period of time and letting it to grow to create wealth. It is slow and efficient process to grow the wealth over a period of time. Trading is, on the other hand, is buying and selling the stocks often over a period of time, maybe within the same day. It is a fast and risky process to grow the wealth. You may end up losing your capital if you don't know what and how to trade. Therefore, I would recommend trading for full-time traders and brokers, and investing for part-timers and people who are other professions than finance. A study shows that 80% of the daytime traders lost interest in first 2 years due to constant loss. This is due to the fact that people go for instant gratification rather than getting a constant growth. As always, stock market is subjected to market risk. We will dig deep into investing and trading in future videos. So for now, let's see few more recommendations before jumping into buy stock. Don't gamble your savings into stocks. That is a primary rule. You should always have a saving and investment as a separate part in your income. Especially, never put your emergency fund into the stock. I always recommend to do your own research before putting into any stocks. Important note is to never go for impulse purchase of the stocks. That is very dangerous. If you follow this, you can become a very happy investor and create a great wealth. As the channel is from India, we will give hint on how to buy stocks in India. So we need two accounts for that. The first one will be Demat account. Demat account is a short form for dematerialized account. It will store your stock in electronics form. In old days, stock certificates were given, which may get damaged over time and become useless. Now in modern era, we don't need material anymore. We are moving into digital economy. Currently in India, two depository bodies maintain this Demat account: NSDL and CDSL. NSDL stands for National Securities Depository Limited and CDSL stands for Central Depository Services Limited. And the second account will be trading account. Trading account is simply a bridge between your bank account and your Demat account. So if you buy stock, it will be stored in the Demat account and the money will be transferred via trading account from bank account. These two account services can be provided by different brokerage firms, like in India, HDFC Securities, Geojit Financials, Zerodha, and many more are there. So that's all for today. Wait, there is one more thing. To open a Demat and trading account, following are the recommendations. Compare providers charge like AMC, the annual maintenance charges, the brokerage fees for intraday trading and normal trading, and other charges like delivery fees, stamp duty and all. And also compare provider options feasibility. For an example, 3-in-1 account is a good option, like having a bank account, trading account and Demat account from single vendor. It's my opinion. A good trading app with support for iOS and Android is a must in future, because people are often using mobile phones and laptops. They want to have a platform where both can be supported. I recommend not going for broker with good call but with a good service, because I believe in my own research. Thanks everyone. Please like and share my video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please share your comments in the comment section. I want to finish this video with one quote from great investment mind Benjamin Graham. Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Thanks everyone. Stay tuned for more videos.